file loading Canada. Emergency alert system. The 2nd of June 2017.
This message is from the Canadian government. An attack has been sent from Russia and Kazakhstan and it will hit Ontario in 5 hours and 20 minutes, then British Columbia in 2 hours and 1 minute. The third one is the deadliest and it will hit Toronto and Net in 1 hour and 10 minutes. Now you have to take shelter. The nuke is coming to Canada. The bomb is hitting us in 4 more hours. The last few thing you need to know is that you need to get shelter. Trust no more seconds. We need your help.